In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Sora is down. If you ever run into errors or things just feel slow, the quickest way to know whether it's an issue on your side or a broader outage is to look at the official status dashboard. I'll walk you through it in a clear, simple way so you can get an answer in seconds. Start by opening any search engine you like. In the search box, type the phrase OpenAI status and press enter. In the results, look for the link named status.open.com and click it. This takes you to the status page where the current health of different services is displayed in one place. Once the page loads, you'll see a system status overview. This is a dashboard that shows which parts of the platform are running normally and which might be experiencing problems. You'll notice a list of components or services, typically including APIs, ChatGPT, Codex, Sora, and FedRAMP. Each of these entries has a status indicator next to it. The indicator is usually a color and a short label that summarize what's happening right now. Focus on the entry labeled Sora. If Sora is marked operational and the color is green, that means everything is working as expected. If the color is yellow, it usually indicates degraded performance or a partial outage, which can cause slow responses, timeouts, or intermittent issues. If the color is red, that points to a major outage, meaning the service is likely unavailable for most users. That color cue is the key. Yellow or red means there's a problem on the service side, and the best move is to wait while it's being addressed. Green means you're good to go, and any issue you're seeing is likely unrelated to a platform-wide problem. The page may also show brief summaries or timestamps that give context about when issues started and whether they're being monitored or resolved. A quick tip as you check: the status page updates over time, so if you're watching for changes, refresh the page periodically. Also, keep in mind that each listed component is independent. Even if another part, like APIs or ChatGPT, isn't fully operational, Sora might still be fine. So always look at the Sora line specifically, and that's it. By searching for OpenAI status, clicking the link named status.open.com, and reading the Sora indicator, you'll know in moments whether Sora is up or experiencing issues.